Hello. So good to meet you at our global motivational meeting. We are reading the World Scriptures book, these God's words that inspire billions of people, families, communities, countries, and the whole world. I will help you to just read these quotes and practice in daily life. Think about them, that God could give you tips for happy life and prosperous future every day, every hour, every second, as it will help you and your family, communities, countries, and the whole world. As you're reading this holy book from the beginning, please find all the chapters at our Message to Billion channel, and also you may turn on suggestion playlist, choose the best one that you like, and listen God's words. Stay blessed all the day. So God prepared for us today as we're reading about society and leadership, the administration of justice. Whenever you judge between people, you should do so with justice. How superbly God instructs you to do so. God is alert, observant. Another quote, hear the cases between you, brethren, and judge righteously between a man and his brother or the alien that is with you. You shall not be partial in judgment. You shall hear the small and the great alike. You shall not be afraid of the face of man, for the judgment is God's. Another quote, if the thief steals something, he takes on oath to decide his fate. But if he ought to steal something, what will it take? Another quote, you shall not bear false witness against your neighbor. Further, let's read quotes from the second coming Messiah, Father, Son, and Moon. A nation's laws impose punishment on criminals for the purpose of setting the indemnity conditions necessary for maintaining order in society. I cannot bend the law even for true mother. The law rules her as it rules me. You cannot have freedom without principles of law or law. You cannot have freedom without order. When there is no law and order, freedom brings only destruction. When you violate the law of a nation, you have to go to prison. Yet, if America is really a free country, why does it need prisons? Shouldn't we just close them down and let everyone to do whatever they want? Shouldn't people be free to do whatever they want, even run down the street short naked? Today in America, people do that, even practice prostitution and homosexuality, and they regard it that they are right to be free. Can we dispense with prison? Well, then should John Nicolae be able to get away with shooting President Reagan and insist that he is not be arrested? Certainly, we need to incarcerate those who do not abide by the nation's law. Even in the spirit world, there are prisons for those who do not abide by the law of the spirit world. The schools need a room for the nation, and family need a punishing spot. If a prosecutor or malicious person obtain the execution of an innocent man for personal motives, then according to the heavenly law, he himself shall be sentenced to death. The person who was killed unfairly shall receive a reward, while the person who caused the death shall be punished. So powerful quotes for today. If you have difficulties, please watch one more time this video, share this video, and subscribe as you and this billion happy life subscribers marathon. Contact me for consultation, cooperation, and become a member of this Heavenly Parents Holy community globally. Receive Heavenly Kingdom citizenship right now. The contact is below, and join this movement that is building Heavenly Kingdom day by day, hour by hour, in every corner of the world by 2027. See you tomorrow with more powerful quotes to practice and live a happy life. And till then, turn on suggestion playlist. Choose the best one for you and listen God's words. Stay blessed all the day. Bye bye, yours, Nicolae.